Angibingelele baba udokotela baba Sizibawujabu mfana omuhle njengekhehla lona ungumzukulu wamancingezi. Ngethu ngenhlonipho nokukhulu ukuzithoba siyabonga kakhulu isupport sibonga nama comment abhalwa ngakhona abanye babhala isingisi kanti baba udokotela akasazi isingisi. This is baba udokotela osebenzela building sibiza ithi Nedbank House building inyanga esebenzela emafletini. Bakithi this is baba udokotela umgaqo esikone corner of Queen Street and Albert Street. Physically we are on number 30 Albert Street, parking wise number 72 Dennis Harley Street. If ufuna ukuhamba ngemoto uzongena uzopaka ungena ngo number bhala ke phela manje ukhuluma nawe ngoba ingeke wena ngoshela isikhathi futhi bhala number 72 Dennis Harley Street, 72 Dennis Harley Dennis wakhona no WN Dennis Harley Street. Ungena lapho ke parking into ibhala Queen's Parking, ungena lapho ke wena ngoba usuke uyivisita ungena uzopaka third floor. Second and first floor are reserved for us as tenants. We are called tenants here. This is baba udokotela baba Sizibawujabu. Bakithi angeke ngiyikhulume lento abanye abantu izinto mesizikhuluma they take it as a joke. Lana I'm not marketing a product. I'm not marketing a product at all. But there is this company that package, not produce, package. No one produced this. This is a packaging product. Lo muthi lana nginifundisile ngawo. Lo muthi usetshenziswa kakhulukazi uma umuntu enenkinga ye-immunoglobulin ES esibiza ukuthi IgE esibiza ukuthi ihlungu ngesiZulu. Lana ke ilento esithi imbabazane le. Kubhaliwe uma ufika kule izitolo ezidayisa lezi babudokotela edayisa kuphi hamba ubheke yabo iproduct hamba ubheke wena ke angizosho isitolo. Yes, kubhalwe stinking nettle herb. That is English. In Latin, Urtica dioica. Urtica dioica sinisibiza ukuthi Urtica dioica lo ya R siyawugwinya. Yona ka product le engihleze nginifundisa ngithi mina yona ke imbabazane le esisebenzisa kakhulu yazi ukulapha abantu abasuke benenkinga ye-IgE immunoglobulin ES esuka ama levels akhona esuke phezulu. We use this, but you don't use it as is. You must concentrate it 20/1. The strength must be very high. Uma usenze i-technology esibiza ukuthi i-reverse osmosis. Thereafter ama impurities zonke nema segments angezongena ensweni because impilo umuntu ubalulekile rather than something else. Yeah, this is baba udokotela baba Sizibawujabu mfana omuhle nje kehle umlungu. Siqinisele ulwethe kehle. Siqinisele ulwethe nje. Ngeke ulunge khehla, ngeke ulunge. Njengoba usakhala ama hinges nje isicapheni sakho. Ngeke yabona lana ngalungisa isicapha lapho busa lonke ama hinges asesicapheni. La. Ungalungisa isicapha, uphike noba udokotela, hayi ngeke. Hayi. Asikho lapho. Asingene nemsebenzini wethonga. Angichaze kuba udokotela is not competing with you or with anyone, but into engifuna ukuthi sike si understand i-channel we have to use it for entertainment by far for education purposes as well. Entertainment, but it means kuzothi u60% to 65% akube we educational. Akube kube khona into oyifunda kwe channel because silandela ama channel that bears nothing. Kuthini ayikho into esiyidinga kulama channel, but we are even asked to subscribe. We're even asked to subscribe, but what am I learning here? I-channel whereby kuzokhulunywa ngokuthi lona unetotozo encane akasangezi kahle ebusuku uma mncane lona ngiyamshela akafuna ukubuya. Uyayibona nje kunezinto ezimekweni ezikwenza ukuthi ube dom. You understand? Kanti i-channel we have to invest in knowledge here to go. If I watch this, what am I learning? If I find my kid who is 22 years old watching this channel, what is he learning? What does the channel teaches my child? If my husband is busy following this channel, what is my husband going to be? Because ikunezinto ozibukayo ugcina usuyizona. Yeah, understand? This is baba udokotela Sizibawujabu mfana omthatha kehle umzukulu kamancingezi. Angeke ngikhulume lento. Ukweshela versus stalking a woman. Ukweshela versus stalking a woman. Abantu besifazane bayathanda ukushela. Kungakhohliseki bayathanda ukushela. But they get offended futhi mebeshela. Siqale phansi. Women like to be proposed. but immediately you propose them, you become an offender because you are stalker, but ukade ukuthi uyamshela ekuqaleni. Engisho ukuthi there's time whereby you ending up stalking a woman. Agcine kunyanyela ukuthi lokumlandela, egcine kunyanyela ukuthi lokusho lento. You understand? Akayithandi and akayihambisani nayo. Kodwa wena ukuthi phela we insizwa wakhulisa ukuthi intombi yalandelwa. Nangempela futhi usayela. That is stalking a woman. Kanti njengamanje lana sikhuluma ngomuntu othi babudokotela ngiyafuna ukushela but I don't want to ending up being charged for stalking a woman. Kodwa ngifuna ukuthi bangithanda abantu besifazana. Thereafter ngikuphathele nansi ke product. The product isibiza ukuthi uNtombi kaYibhinca. Ikhombo nje kube la inamabhodlela awu2. La ikhombo leyobe lana inamabhodlela awu2. Ahlukene ke lamabhodlela laphakathi. Elinye lingamafutha, elinye liwupowder. Leli eliwupowder into engiyithanda ngalo uma uzokhuluma nawo ucingweni uyalikhotha kuqala leli liwupowder. Uma uya kwi-job interview uyalikhotha. Uma uya kwi-hearing eCCMA uyalikhotha. Anything ezobe ikhulunywa wena versus ekhulunywa yibona, but bekusho wena people will always answer yes. Anything onjoba unale bhodlela leli lantombi kaYibhinca, you are going to sell something to people. Ulikhothile le bhodlela, people will answer yes to your product no matter ngabe i-expensive or not, but they will still answer yes. They will still answer yes. That kodwa ifocus yethu ukuthi labantu besimame ekade silokhu sikhuluma nabengasiphenduli namhlanje abasiphenduli. I repeat, we demand ukuthi abasiphendule using intombi kaYibhinca umuthi. Thereafter mase sekunika ke uNtombi kaYibhinca lo owamafutha. Ngoba into engayibalekelayo is to stalk umuntu esifazana athi kade nginyonyobele ungibangela isicefe lobhuti. Ngifuna ukuthi lento I understand this is Ntombi kaYibhinca. Ntombi kaYibhinca ama-ingredient akhona that basic. Kufakwe imvubu, kufakwe umkhoma. Isilwane sifakiwe. Kufakwe umantindane, kufakwe upiyane. What is the meaning of this? If this person ngimazi ukuthi njengoba sisebenza nje la kodwa njobe yelekule la office uzodlula la definitely ngiyayithatha uNtombi kaYibhinca amafutha ngugcobe la azokweqa khona. You understand? Ngugcobe la azokweqa khona. Kodwa ke uma ufuna ukwenza njalo ufuna ukumeqisa awuvesane uthatha uNtombi kaYibhinca ugcobe phansi ngoba uthi kuzohlala yena ezohlala esitulweni awuvesane ugcobe kunento ufuna uqala uyenze kuwona. Yini babudokotela ufuna ngiyenze? La ovalweni lakho caba lapho ukhiphe leli gazi elapho. Lelo gazi ulifake la kuNtombi kaYibhinca umuntu usiyawushukuza. Ngalo ndlela usuyakwazi ukuthi umuntu methu yeqa lento ingene kuyena ngenyawo wayingene inomantindane. Ifakwe umantindane. Umantindane is capable for that. Okwenza ukuthi pho akuthande yini na kufakwe upiyane. Upiyane into yothando, into enhlanhla. Into nje evula into zakho mazivalekile kufuna kupiyana. Ngalo ndlela uyakwazi ukuthi uNtombi kaYibhinca ubhale phansi only if unegazi lakho. Uma ungenalo igazi lakho ungabizana ukugcobe phansi ngoba it's not going to work and you are going to persecute me for telling you lies. Ntombi kaYibhinca lo khombo ke siyona ke lesinikeza umuntu sibalekela ukuthi stop stalking women. Abantu besifazana abayifunile kodwa bayathanda ukuthi babe nomuntu abathandayo kodwa abafuni futhi uzoloku bashela kodwa ekugcineni bafuna ukuthi bagcine belishile leso elingenamali ngoba ngempela ukuthanda nendoda engenamali kuyafana nobekhana nesihlahla sama-pages esingenama-pages. Ukuthanda nendoda engenamali kuyafana nokuthi ube nompompi egcekeni kodwa ungaphuma amanzi. Kodwa lokuthi hayi umpompi sinawo egcikini kodwa kusala waphuma amanzi. Engisho ukuthi umuntu wesifazana akavesana kushiye ovesana uzimbule nje lo yamfula lo yampompi lo kodwa uyazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga you will have a JoJo tank. Having a JoJo tank esuke wazi ukuthi sekune tank yamanzi manje uJoJo kufika nje imoto amanzi iwafaka kuJoJo ngobani amanzi awaphumi kulo yampompi. Indoda engasebenzi ifana nampompi onjani ongaphuma amanzi. Musu uzothola indoda emhlophe ngokwelokishi egrand eshadile enenyuka ifana nani kuwena ifana nevaterkan efika ifaka amanzi ethangini mase wena uphuza amanzi nezingane zakho ziphuza amanzi noma wakho lo noshukela akwazi ukuphuza amanzi afakwe ubani njalo ivaterkan ngobani na le mpompi loya akuphuma amanzi hlukana nalo lobothu wakho ukhamisa ngithela uhlele ekhaya mshiye uhambisa iayina lelo ayinwa khona ngoba lo muntu omayinisayo akakhanyi ayinisa kanjani umuntu ongenanyoka iayini liyashisa uma lishisa ngogesi ugesi ufuna ikhadi uyakhokhela ugesi iayini liyashisa this is babudodo babusizibotshwa kufanele uhlenje ngeke ehlala umlomo bakithi yabona nje basesaphila kamnandi nje sayiphilela impilo yaseThekwini hey babudodela emakhaya nje unaso isigodlo ezongijwayela kabi wena azongijwayela nje kabi izindlu zami lezi zotshana ezilapha ngendlela yodwa otshana yodwa yama-tiles akuzona igodlo indlu zami ukuthi ngihlale khona ngiyiphumule leyo tshana ngiyithanda ngoba iphule kamnandi iphule kamnandi iphole kamnandi mekushisa ngihlala khona ku-right here khona ake singene nento zomnyanga bakithi ngiyacela angisho ukuthini kodwa nje ngiyacela wena ono code 10 ku right kakhulu ngiyabonga ukuthi unayo iPDP u right kakhulu kodwa innovate yourself enhance yourself with knowledge otherwise kulo msebenzi wakho wokudriver eda ucode 14 yangizothi ngithini eda iHazcam eda ifirst aid kunezinto ofuna uzi-add nathi ke leminyangeni ake sikhuleni akube khona into esizi-edayo eziwulwazi ezizosisiza libe kusizakele thina kuzobe sekusizakala i-patient esukiza kuthina regardless ukuthi unolwazi noma unalo kodwa still yeza ingazi ukuthi how ignorant are you. Your stupidity is getting gross. Awukwazi ukuthi nanamanje usasitshela wena ukuthi wenza lento oyenzayo. This is babu dokotela. Lana ngifuna ukukhuluma ngento esisihluphile mase singabe nayo i-diagnose yayo ngoba thina sizinyanga. Yabo angifuni ukuthi ngi-insult abelaphi bendabuko. Don't get me wrong. I don't insult them. All I'm insulting, it is an organization lengamele abelaphi bendabuko that does not give them a space to acquire in knowledge from the good specialists and profession. Ukuthi labantu abayizangoma abazinyanga ababathandazi akube khona ama workshop whereby they are getting called so that it will be enlightened ngezinto zezempilo. Njengamanje sinenkinga kubelaphi bendabuko ye-parastasia. Awukwazi ukugcaba umuntu one-parastasia. Ingcabo ziba septic immediately that person is due for amputation. That you cannot be doing. And into embi njengoba ngithi sine-council yabelaphi bendabuko ayifuni ukuthi ibe nesikhathi ukukhokhela ama-medics ama-lecturers from universities ukuthi akube nama-workshop that are paid by the council. Ukuthi ake kufundiswa abalaphi bendabuko asikwazi sibe nabantu aba-amputated because the mistake that we did conducted what is called is a wrong diagnosis. I-parastasia umuntu ongabanjiswanga uyafika lo mntwana kuwena une-symptoms ye-cattle one-parastasia kodwa manje uthi izandla zakhe umebamba into ziyaziwela okushuthi bambambise emsebenzini isibango leso sasemsebenzini ngoba vese usebenza kahle uyamthatha umjijela ingcabo emva kaloko lo mntwana kuyabhibha uyakufonela uyafika umnika umuntu wesilonda emva kaloko uyamcontest. You understand? Usuyamcontesta ke manje egcineni uyakiyeka uyahamba esibhedlela bomnquma isandla lese sesi septic. Ya understand kalondlela ka ngifuna ukuthi sifundise ukuthi we as izinyanga kunezinto nathi ekubekufuza ukuthi njengoba begijime bathi asijoin inhlangano le inhlangano zisiza ngani yini esezisinika asifuni ukudla wasinika sinike knowledge it is very expensive. Knowledge is very expensive. Parastation asinayo i-clinical diagnosis eqondile kubalapha bendabuko. Umuntu one-parastation yini ekufuna ngiyenze? Yazi mina makhosi into engayicela kuwena, you rather ukuthi umnike imithi yokuthoba kunokuthi umgcabe. Minike imithi yokuthoba, minike imithi azoyikhuhla esibizo yokurabha kunokuthi uthi uyamgcaba. I'm not against ukugcaba. I'm not trying to be westernized. I'm not trying to be highly civilized. I am nothing. But into engisho ukuthi asingalimazi abantu abeze kuthina by mistake. Asingeneke lana thrombocytopenia. Thrombocytopenia enye indlela into senenkinga yayo thina belapha bendabuko ukuthi kunezinto esizenzayo continuously sakha nembiza siphila ngazo. Kunembiza abantu abazo 20 liters ezinye. Uma ufika nje ufika uthatha ibhodlela lapha i750 leSmirnoff kufaka imbiza yakho uhambe uyiphuza. Kanti lembiza ifakwe kakhulu Allium sativa. Cela ukusenza lo gama ngasenzele nijwayele. Ifakwe kakhulu Allium sativa. I-Allium sativa, it has sulfur. We know that it is antibacterial elements, but according to chemical constituents, it has sulfur. Sulfur does not break down and melt because of the high dose of Allium sativa kule mbiza ebiphekwa. That led to a patient to be thrombocytopenia deficiency. Ngalo ndlela lo muntu loyo asizukwazi ukumbonisisakala ngoba asinalo ulwazi ukuthi kanti uba besinama workshop besingatshela kuma workshop ukuthi embizeni zakho i-Allium sativa ungajwayeli ukuyifaka kuba iyona eningi kakhulu. I'm not telling ukuthi it's Allium sativa. Khathela abantu abafuna ukufunda. Ngalo ndlela sithi thina akube nendlela yokufundisa abantu ukuthi uma sizothi ke sifuna ukuthi bazi ukuthi i-thrombocytopenia yini i-thrombocytopenia and uhlonzwa kanjani umuntu one-thrombocytopenia. Asingalenzeki iphutha. Umuntu one-thrombocytopenia umuntu ofanayo nomuntu ongenayo inzalo. Umuntu ongambuka emehlweni umusu usiyamtshela ukuthi hayi wena unayo inzalo, i-hemosperm yakho une-hemospermia. I-hemosperm yini babudokotela, it's whereby ama-sperms enama traces egazi kusuke kwenze njani mase kunjalo. Most likely usuke unesifo socansi, a form of STI, or usuke une-HIV uma uvela ukuthi ama-sperms akho anegazi. More likely you are not going to fertilize ukuthi ungazithola umntwana omusha. But lokho it does not ukuthi uvuka ekseni usutshela umuntu lonto. But it comes to thrombocytopenia. Thrombocytopenia, it's whereby apha ama-illness angenelele. Ama-illness sengidinga wona ke manje. Ukuthi akuba ama-illness isikhathi sawo ke lesi ngiyawadinga manje akubi wona athi babudokotela sekuyindima yethu ke leyo. Thathani ovak. Bathini ayisengiyabezwa. Athi ama-illness athi hayi babudokotela. Ubatsheleke labantu bakho ukuthi uma i-patient ine-thrombocytopenia izobonakala ngokuthi iqale yokwenziwa i-blood test ekuthiwa i-FBC, full blood check. Kanjani na? Uma esiyenziwe i-blood test kuzobe sekubhekeleka ukuthi lo muntu ama-platelet akhe emzimbeni abuye njani. Uthi lona oyini-illness ohlakaniphile kodwa hayi isidididi. Uthi ama-platelet alowo patient avamise ukuthi ehle ngokungaphansi kuka-150,000 amanye ezafike ko-65,000. Lo muntu unento esibiza i-suckling of the red blood cells, une-internal bleeding. Noma lonto sengiyitshelwa eceleni phela ngokumhlophe ama-illness akhanyayo kodwa wakhona la idididi lezi akhanyayo ukuthi hayi batshela sengisho ukuthi lo lwazi ke akuselona lwami sekudinga abantu ngeneleleke manje ama-illness ngoba lawo ama-illness amhlophe wona akasezothi hayi babudokotela usuthinte thina uma usuthinte into epathologic. Kwangena isingisi mase ngibuza hayi sekungena isingisi phela kubuye khona hayi ngena isingisi pathologically mase ngena pathological so thini thina lento yeah bakithi ake sikuvumene ukuthi asaze sikuvumene ukuthi inhlangano zethu zabelaphi bendabuko zisidayisile zihlibukisile ngathi zihlekisile ngathi zasibiza ngodokotela bendabuko ngodokotela besintu abasemkhathini abasemoyeni abangenalo ulwazi kufuze ngabe namhlanje sinalo. This is babu dokotela sinento esine challenge yayo ekufuze ukuthi kilungiswe le nto lena. abantu bakithi ngenxa ayi ngoba bezidomu ngenxa ukuthi abadonswanga ngengalo bathathwa babekwa la ngoba yabona umuntu bese kubiza ngodokotela wesintu sekunento ayilindele kuwena ukuthi wena uzokwazi ukuyilungisa sekunento ayilindele kuwena ngoba usubizwa ngodokotela wesintu. Abantu njengamanje balapha abantu ama-piles ngeimbiza nganani of which that is not wrong. But the problem abanye abalapheki ama-piles. Asikuveze lokho. Angifuni webhayi thina singane kukhona into sezakana si pretend as if bonke abantu basizakele. Bala kulashwa abantu ama-piles. Bantu manje kufusa ukuthi sifundise ukuthi kungenza ukuthi mhlambe lo muntu une colon cancer. Kungenza ukuthi lo muntu une colon cancer. If a patient has a colon cancer, uba nama symptoms ama-piles. Uba nako ukuphuma amanzi esithweni sakhe sokutoilet. Uba nako ukuphuma igazi esithweni sakhe sokutoilet. Lo muntu ke loyo more likely ukuthi umcele ukuthi akaye kudokotela wasentshonalanga, yabo? Ngoba ema-clinic mhlawumbe bazofuna incwadi ya dokotela wasentshona ngoba yabona njengoba ngithi ngiyakhala kakhulu ngenhlangano zethu azisilekelelanga kwi-level ebesiyidinga ukuthi njengamanje kufuna ngabe sinama referral forms are standardized according to natural medicine, not western medicine, according to natural medicine. Asinawo asikwazi thina ukubhala incwadi sithi sitshela isibhedlela ukuthi asenze lama test kulo muntu. Asikwazi thina ukwenza because asikazethekanga ngendlela ebefuneka ukuthi ngabe asikwazi ukuthi from 1994 till now sisagijima emkhathini sisalwa sisabanga sisakwebhana ngoba manje ulwazi aliphelela lokho. Ipatient umuzo uyithethe ke i-cancer yecolon kufuneka senze i-blood test esibiza ukuthi CA199 ingasali i-B2M. I-B2M isiza ukubuka nesibindi phela usenza mhlawumbe isona lesi sinenkinga. Ngeza ukuthi i-cancer sesibindini ayikho emathumbini. That is why isibindi sibleeda igazi lingena emathumbini bese lophuma ezantsi. You understand? Engisho ukuthi asikubukekeni lokuthi labantu esisaba lapha ama-piles akungabe silapha umuntu one-cancer yecolon. Uma umuntu usumnike i-treatment yakho for more than 6 weeks wabuya nama-result afanayo athi hayi baba ngeke lento kubupha ayinqamuka, that is akuyona i-cancer njalo, impawu zokuthi kungenza ukuthi une-cancer yecolon. Impawu lezo ngoba there's a lot of things, even i-pancreas yakhe ingableeda, isibindi sakhe singableeda, zini izingathi bezibleeda bese singene emathumbini bese ekhipha igazi. Lezi zinto lezi ngiyafuna ukuthi sizikhulume ngoba zizosiza ukuthi sizazi sihambe sehlanganeni lezi esizibisa belapha indaba ukuthi belapha indaba sasalela emuva kangaka kwabasentshonalanga ngoba when I was in India I've seen a vast gap ekwazi ukuthi i-India ivale lapha abanento abayibiza ukuthi ama-Ayurvedic banedlanzana elincane kuthiwa ama-homeopathy mase bezoba ne-western medicine whereby they use synthetic drugs. Okay, but the Indian government is able to merge all that. Kuyasebenzisana. You find an Ayurvedic esibhedlela, Ayurvedic inyanga ye-India, Ayurvedic practitioner. Uthola esibhedlela an Ayurvedic, a homeopath uthola esibhedlela. A western medicine doctor uthola esibhedlela. Konke lokho base abacompete kodwa thina kuba nini ke sikhala eminyango njengengane eyifelwa abazali. This is babu dokotela. Ifuna sikhulume manje ke ngezinto ke abantu banayo icancer, but we need to expose what progresses icancer. Ngoba uyakwenza konke lo chemo radiation uyakwenza kunalabo abafutha usefrahead uyaziwa ke ngoyishaya icancer, but wena akakusizanga and usushonela uma wakho ade ulanda amabhodlela khona kunobaba waziwa iFahrenheit versus uyinkinga kwicancer uyaziwa uselapha abantu abaningi kodwa wena usibalo wakho akasizakalanga komanje usesesibhedlela uadmithiwe use-ICU ngenzeka noma yini. Sifuna ukuthola what literally progresses cancer. Kunento engifuna ukuyisebenzisa sibiza ukuthi i-mutant and mutations, what also causes a cancer cells to mutate so that it will resist to all forms of medication that we are taking as a patient. This is babu dokotela lo khulumayo. Ithi into sinenhlobo zoshukela that we are not aware of that may help cancer to progress. Sucrose, uyithola obisini. Fructose uyithola emapetshisini kuma-fruit. Mase soba no-sugar lona synthetic sugar lena icing sugar nani. Oshukela bonke combine they help cancer to progress. Ngendlela wena odla ngayo ushukela, indlela owenza ngayo icancer ukuthi ivuthwe emzimbeni wakho. Izikwazi nokufinyelela kwindawo because ushukela iwona into ayidinga kakhulu icancer. Icancer idla ushukela. Uma ungekho ushukela emzimbeni, icancer cannot live. It necrotizes. Ngeke necrotize. Manje uzongena kanjani necrotize lento esikhuluma ngayo? Uzobamba ke manje ukuthi yabona ke manje sengihamba kanje. Usuza ke mase ngihamba. The cell will now necrotize and it start to attach other cells that causes apoptosis. However, kwangena no ngeke lento iqhubeke. Ngeke esaqhubeka nalento le. Hayi phela ngane ngeke phela besikhuluma kanje wena ucabanga usazokudolekela hayi ngeke manje sikhuluma ngone necrotizing of the cells caused by cancer. No, asikhulumi lonto le. Asibuyele emsebenzini. Ngalo ndlela try to reduce sugar by 90% to 95% if you want to fight cancer emzimbeni wakho. Awuzukwazi ukuthi ufike kubadokotela ukhiphe 1600 ngikunika treatment ye cancer uphinde wena uphuze ushukela onezipuni ezo3 uvuke ngeparish ekseni. Iparish is starch that converts into sugar. I repeat, ipatient evuka ngeparish ekseni ifana nje nomuntu okhuma ushukela lona thina sokubalekelayo. That alone, that patient, he or she will die from medication ayithale kudokotela noma kumelaphi wendabuko because of high intake of sugar levels emzimbeni wakhe is too high. Too much starch emzimbeni promotes cancer as well because starch converts it into glucose and thereafter cancer ifuna leyo nto leyo. Ifuna lento lezi zinto lezi zizokwazi ukuthi sizikhulume and lento sizokwazi ukuthi sithola abantu besizakala. This is baba udokotela baba sizobajala umfana umdla Kathleen Mzola Mancinci. Hayi into soyivulela kahle sizoyivulela and then siyivulela ngamabomu ukuthi nize nishawa kanjena nje ingenxa yabelaphi bendabuko abasemkhandlweni abadla imali yes department okwazi ukuthi le mali kune funding abayithola ukuthi kuzosizwa phela lapha abantu abasizwa lutho bakhuluma bodwa bazana bodwa banama group angamsangano angasebenzeli ukuthi okuvuka ekuseni kuthiwa amakhosi siyakhuleka ndlondlo nilala kahle makhosi makhosi siyavuka ndo ileyo nto nje abayikhulumayo kuphela ayikho into eprogressayo that we need this is baba udokotela asingeneni esikolweni. Ngikhulume kakhulukazi kubantu ngesigubhu esisibiza ukuthi uthwalitshe. Uthwalitshe ke lana ke sithe mase udalula sokukhuluma sokuhlaziya uthwalitshe sawuchaza ukuthi uthwalitshe mase kunika uthwalitshe asikuniki isithwalo sikunika into yokuphumelelisa. Leli bhodlela nanini ngizohleze ngiliveza. Ibhodlela leli engilakhelwe uDlamini eNqobokazi. Kunekhehle lapha eNqobokazi. Lana nje ngase shopping center umoya wamhlaba lengane kunekhehle lapho kuthiwa uDlamini. Lona ke lekhehle leli elingakhelele lebhodlela. Lebhodlela leli ke lisebenza kakhulu kumuntu onikezwe uthwalitshe. Ilona bhodlela alawula ngayo izinto umezenza. Kodwa ke uthwalitshe ke asiwuniki noma ubani. It's anyone osethathe isinqumo sokuthi babudokotela I can cough out to 50,000. I need into efana nale. Ngoba kuningi sengikuzamile but nginayo into ethi if ungathatha uthwalitshe khona as long ungathwali the answer is yes awuthwali. Mina umuntu bengimthwalisa siya confronta sivumelana ukuthi uyathwala manje. Siyayiconfronta sivumelane lento and futhi over the time mase siyayiqala siyayenza. Isithwalo ke then kuthwalitshe kawuthwala. Wena ke ose Northwest Limpopo ofuna isigubhu uMadlozana iba no 12,000 iqala. Uqala nje ufuna uMadlozana iba no 12,000. Ukangenawo 12,000 ungayihluphi. Uma usufika ke la njengoba usuka kule ma province akude usufika lana uthi usuke akhonukha usuke eZanini usuka ePolokwane uzofuna lo msebenzi usuka eThoyando usuke eMosina uyafuna uthwalitshe. Uma ufika la cela abasebenzi bakuphelezele uyothenga inkukhu emhlophe eyisikhukukazi. ngoba ngifuna ukuthi sukwakhe la uthwale ekubina sibulala inkukhu la ngoba uyakusaba ukubulala inkukhu sibulala inkukhu lana suguqule umadlozana sithi thatha kumadlozana manje siyawuguqula umadlozana ukuthi siyawutshela umadlozana ngoba kunento efakiwe lapha phakathi kumadlozana ekuthiwa umayime umadlozana nomayime phakathi usizotshelwa ke lento esifala phakathi umayime ukuthi manje mayime siyaguqula uhamba nomadlozana yokwenza ukuthi lokuthi kodwa akube irresponsibility yakho ukuthi ukwazi lokho ukuthi ngizofika mina into esengiyibonile enehluphile abantu bayasaba ukubulala inkukhu akaze bayibulale. That it's my liability now ukuthi wena njoba use Rustenburg ubuka le video lo njoba uthi use Orkney ubuka le video le njoba usuthi use Virginia ubuka le video le ngithi njengamanje noma ngabe ukuphi inkukhu uzoyithenga lethe ungasuki nenkukhu le uzoyithenga kodwa you must have 12,000 rand sizokukhandela umsebenzi whereby unesigubhu esisebenza ngedlozi lakho uzokukhandela umsebenzi whereby unesigubhu esisebenza ngedlozi lakho sithi umadlozana. This is Babu Dr. This is what you're finding pleasure. Okay, silungisele. 1st of April, not Fool's Day, April 1 si importer wonke ama video esinawo sesizowaposta ku Babu Dokotela TV. As from mhla ka1 ayikho ivideo entsha esizoyifaka kubunyanga basendulo. April 1 2026 sizobuyela sivula ichannel siyiphorisha siyilungisa sibekela wena ukuthi ibe ready sibekela wena ukuthi ibe ready mekushaya umhla ka1 thereafter usuka ngena ku Babu Dokotela TV and subscribe so that wonke ama video angenayo uzokwazi ukuthi wabone. This is Babu Dokotela Babu, this is what Jabulani Mfana Mhleja Kahle Mzulu Manxenza ngisofuthi ngoyise. Goodbye.